Hey, there you are. This is the second unboxing I'm going to do for November, but there were a couple things that I wanted to talk about that I got from the last unboxing that I had a chance to use. Sometimes I kind of go back and let you know what I thought of the products I got. Sometimes I don't. This time, I definitely wanted to let you know what I thought about a couple of the products. In the last Allure box that I received, there were a lot of cleanser, a mask, peel. They weren't really anti-aging serum. I've used some of them, haven't had a good chance to get to know a lot of them, but there was one thing that I did get a chance to use from, actually there were a couple of them. Okay. There are a couple of them from the Ipsy Glam bag. Okay, and I want to start with, let me show you this first. This is everything that came in the bag. Okay, the first one I wanted to start with was this, the Duce Punk Volumizer Mascara. This is a nice formula. I've used this brand before and I like it. It's kind of high end, so I was happy when I got it. And the formula of the mascara is okay, but look at this brush. This brush. Let me move out of the way so you can see it. It's big. It's too big for me. I prefer a smaller brush so I can kind of get into the cracks and crevices. Will I use it? I'm going to try to use it, but I'll tell you, this brush is really difficult to work with. If you like a really big, thick brush, that's for you. Okay? The next thing I wanted to talk about was, what's it called? Il Mosca. Do you remember this? I opened it up. It had a little tiny spoon in there. This thing, it's a primer. It's a primer for your makeup, face primer. Well, if you have oily skin, this is for you. It's like this real jelly, real loose. You put it on and it dissolves instantly into your skin. It turns liquid right away with the warmth of your skin. And it makes your skin very tacky. I guess what it's supposed to do for a primer, right? Because you want the foundation to stick to your skin. But the problem is it also tightens your skin and it makes your skin very dry. Whatever you do, if you buy this, do not put it around your eye, under eye area, unless you want to look like you have more wrinkles than you have. But for me, I think for mature women and women with dry skin, this is not a good pick. But I'll tell you what is a good pick, and it's cheap. Remember this one? I told you it was 45 bucks, $8. Love it. Love, love, love. It's like a putty in the container. It's like a putty, and it's very soft. You don't even have to let it blend onto your skin. It softens your skin. It fills in pores. It's $8, and it's worth every penny. Okay, all right. So that's my review for those products. Let's get started with the boxing. This is the Boxy Charm box that I received. Okay, and the first thing I got were samples for foundation, which is a nice way to go because sometimes at least you can try it out a little bit and see what the colors look like on instead of buying the whole thing. This one is kind of interesting. The brushes, it's Boxy. It says Boxy Charm. I am assuming it is Boxy Charm brand, which I didn't know they had their own brand of brushes. Let's see what it says. Boxy Charm 2-piece brush set. All right, MSRP is 35 bucks. You know what? They do feel like nice brushes. This would be nice for contour, for blush, not blush, bronzer. And this, what is this? This has got to be, oh wow, look at this. That's a nice brush. I'm surprised. And it's nice, it's kind of stiff. It has some stiffness to it. Let me see what it says. Create your own favorite looks in total luxury with our first ever Boxy Charm branded brush set. The large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products, and the foundation brush has an oval base to help you with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. These ultra soft brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free. I like these. You know that? The thing is, when I get brushes in these boxes, they're most of the time like the same shape of brushes that I already have or something. I don't have anything like this, so I'm really happy to get this. I can't wait to try that. The next thing is Tula Skincare Mask, 2 hydrating masks. I have to tell the truth, I'm not big on masks. Probably because I'm not very patient. You have to sit and wait, leave it on for a certain length of time and wash it off. But I'll try those. Dose of Colors, which is an excellent brand. This is a lipstick, liquid matte lipstick. That's the color. Okay, not my shade. So I'm not even gonna open that up. I'll probably end up giving that away. This I'm excited to see. Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. Now, in the other box that I got, the Ipsy Glam Plus box, had the serum that goes with this. So I'm excited to try this because this is an expensive brand too, and it's highly rated. Can't wait to try it. I've never tried it before. So then the last thing up is Celestial Thunder. I have never heard of this brand. Oh, I'm sorry. I have. It's Dominique. Christian Dominique Cosmetics. Yep. Okay, look at these colors. Man. Wow. I mean, those are they're pretty bright. Let me take the plastic off. Some of them are really bright, and I'm not sure how I would work with them, but when I opened this up, my eyes bugged a little bit. Ooh, can't wait to try that. So that's the Boxy Charm box. Happy again, except for this lipstick. Everything else I'm really happy with. So let's go to the Ipsy Glam bag, the regular Glam bag. First thing is the cosmetic bag, which is exactly like the one that was in the Glam Bag Plus. And here's the card with everything in it. First thing is, it's a glow. What says glow on it? What kind of brushes should this be? Royal and Langnickel Moda Pro Glow Brush. My favorites, the tiny little brush sets under eyes, blends out harsh edges, making it much loved. Okay. All right. I have brushes like that, so it's not really a big thrill, but I will use it, I am sure, or put it in a giveaway. Gigi Gorgeous Body Glow. Look at this. That's the color. Color is not on there. It's not printed on there. But anyway, this I am anxious to try because named for the YouTube personality, author, and activist, Gigi Gorgeous is a limited edition and Ipsy exclusive collection of essentials to get you glowing on your own terms. This sheer pearlescent liquid body bronzer blends in beautifully and works on a wide range of skin tones. Tip: add a few drops to your body lotion and massage it into your skin for overall shimmer and radiance. Ooh, that's a good idea. Now I'm curious to see what it looks like. It looks dark, doesn't it? Let me put a little on. You know what? If you put this on, like they suggested with body lotion, I think it would be perfect. It would be very nice for any skin tone, really. Wow, okay. At first I opened it up and I thought this is for darker skin tones. No, not necessarily. All right, next up. Oh, MAC Cleanse Off Oil. Must be my makeup remover. Sometimes removing your makeup feels almost as good as wearing it. Made by iconic beauty brand MAC, this gentle oil cleanser gets rid of your most stubborn makeup, and it's made with vitamin E, olive oil, jojoba seed, and primrose oil to hydrate, nourish, and protect your skin. All right. I don't, anything that's very oily like that for taking makeup off, I like, because it just feels so good on my skin. Lot Colors Lock It Good Foundation. What? Never heard of this brand. This brand draws from K-Beauty and NYC's vibrant energy, as you'll enjoy the best of both worlds with this innovative foundation BB Cream Hybrid made with hyaluronic acid, witch hazel, and collagen. It hydrates, soothes, and calms skin while providing lasting full coverage. Full coverage, BB and full coverage don't go together. You know, let me gripe a little bit here. If you see a foundation that says light, medium, and full coverage, something's wrong. Somebody's not telling the truth here. It can't be all of them at once. It's either, heavy, full coverage, or it's light coverage, or it's medium. It can't be all of them at once. If you have to build it up to make it full coverage, then it's not full coverage to begin with. Doesn't that make sense? So this makes my antenna go up, maybe thinking, what? If it's full coverage and it's a BB cream, then it's not really a BB cream. I will try this and let you know. All right, I've never heard of that brand before. I don't know if they're supposed to be an upscale brand. What was the price on that? If you wanted to go out and buy that, that's probably a mini. Looks like a little bit bigger than the sample. Wrong one. It doesn't say the price on these. Hate that. Okay. No prices. So I don't know what to tell you about the price on that, but I'll get back to you. Verify Power Trip Facial Serum. All right. It must be a new brand. I've never heard of this, but I'll give this a try. I'm not sure how much I can find out from it because it is skincare, but why not? I'll try it. So that's the 2 boxes I had left for this month. A couple things I wanted to mention. I do have my cooking channel that's up and running. If you need recipes, if you want to know how to do something, or just see what goes on in my life, I'll leave a link below if you want to look at those. Share them if you like them. Subscribe, that would be nice too. Or subscribe to this channel. Okay guys, take care. Subscribe, share, and be loved. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.